So a few hours ago, one of you guys said the JVC effect was pro. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you another way you can make your aura for free. So first you get your overlays. If you need your overlays, you just go to my Discord. I'll leave it in the link in the description. So first you duplicate it. Then you make sure you have two clips. So you put it under. So that's it right there. If you go to the top one, you've got to go to adjust. You go to your graph. When you get graphs, then just do what I do. Then that's it for the overlay. So the overlay is behind the original clip. I'll just show you in a minute. So if you look at it, that's what you get. So once you've done that, you search motion blur. So you click the first one that comes. You make sure that you adjust it with the clip. Okay, so you make sure that the horizontal is on 50. Then you make the intensity 100. So you go back and make sure that it's on the overlay clip, not the one on top. So it's the one behind. So once you've done that, you go to effects, you search black flash 2. And that's it, the first one. So when you click that, you make sure everything is 100 except for the intensity. Yeah, so once you make everything 100, you get this shaky effect you can see in the background, but we're supposed to put it on the overlay clip. So right now it's below it, so I duplicate it about 5 times. If you see an issue like this, you just have to move the clip because there's not enough space for it. Then you just duplicate it about 5 times. When you're done, you can shorten the clip. And that's how you make aura for free, part 2.